Are you a marketing strategist, consultant, copywriter, photographer, or any of the above, and you're looking to partner with a website company to help better serve your clients? This is the video for you. Today, we're talking about the benefits of working with a website partner. You are amazing at what you do, and you know it. But you also know that you're not good at every single thing under the sun because you've spent so much time honing your own craft. And so when you work in our industry, it's always great to have a collection of folks to rely on when it comes to serving your clients. Because ultimately, if you're the one who makes the connection, that's going to help strengthen your relationship with that client and you become a resource for them. And they'll come back to you for advice, especially if they've had a great experience with someone that you've referred them to. So let's up the ante a little bit. And instead of offering just open-ended referrals that are like, just go to their website or check out their social media, if you want to give a targeted referral for a website partner, that's going to strengthen the relationship that you have with not only that partner, but with your clients that are looking for that service. And furthermore, I can say from personal experience, as a website partner myself, working with copywriters, photographers, other designers, creative directors, working with these folks helps the client overall because they have multiple minds coming together as almost like a mastermind for their business. And all these professionals can come together and serve that client using their own unique expertise and experience. And the client gets the biggest benefit. If that was your client first, if you're a photographer and they came to you for some headshots and they also mentioned, hey, I really want to work on my brand and my website, and you introduce them to an amazing team, then you become that connection and they will depend on you as a resource when they need any other services if they've had a good experience. The problems that come up when you don't have a website partner is that you might be offering your service without the clear picture at hand. You might not know who they're trying to target exactly. I know, for example, a marketing strategist would want to get into the ideal client and who they're trying to attract, but may not necessarily know color psychology and that sort of thing. Versus a photographer will want to know color and tone and what type of photo, if it needs to be whimsical or professional and that sort of thing, but they might not know what keywords you're ranking for and how to target the photos so that you're showing a glimpse of what it's like to work with you. On the other hand, a copywriter is going to be really great at nailing the words on your website and connecting with that ideal client, but they may not have any design experience and they wouldn't be able to really consult on that. But when you bring in those other partners, it really gives the client a whole well-rounded, holistic experience with you, and it makes their site better, it makes their images better, it makes their copy better, and they're going to be happy overall. And in many cases, they'll even pay a little more for the service if they know that all those things are included and that whole team is behind them. It'll also help to give them some trust in you and trust in the process because they know that there are a team of professionals that are working towards their greatest good in their improved website. Some common problems that people run into when they don't have a website partner is having somebody just throw something together that has really slow page load speeds. Strategy isn't necessarily addressed. The website can look outdated. The messaging doesn't align with the overall marketing campaign. Navigation isn't intuitive or UX friendly, not accessible. And then content lacking internal links that help to strengthen the SEO of the website. So those are just some of the things that, for example, our company comes in as a website partner to address to make sure that those I's are dotted and the T's are crossed when it comes to the technical side of the website, in addition to the design, the photos, the copy, and make sure everything flows together in delicious harmony. The solution is finding a website partner that you vibe with, finding somebody that really understands you, your clients, how you work, you two work well together, and really just keeping it real with them in terms of budget, scope, timeline, being clear with the client and setting those expectations, and really just collaborating and working together to ensure that the client gets the biggest benefit. So I hope that this video has helped you sort of think a little bit about the benefits of having a website partner. If you don't have a website partner, let's connect. You can go to digitallygrounded.co and connect with me on the website. Thank you so much for being here. If you are on YouTube, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. If you're listening via podcast, please give us a 5-star review and subscribe there as well. And finally, If you're on the digitallygrounded.co website, be sure to scroll below this video to see more information in the blog post. Thanks again. Thank you for being here. Thank you for listening and watching, and keep being amazing.